If he can flee to Oklahoma, the police might back off entirely.
All right, notify Oklahoma. We're right on 0. We're headed to Oklahoma. I'm going to end up losing where we're at. Past state line. All right, we turned around. We're headed back to Fort Smith, coming right in front of the deputy.
I'm gonna be straight up on 0. I'm coming up to it now.
All right, he's going to be coming quick. He's coming to Phoenix.
And we'll never know if Trooper Rome would have continued the pursuit into Oklahoma. We're guessing he would have, at least until the Oklahoma State Police could join and take over. Nonetheless, the chase continues back the way we came.
He's gonna become the baseline. Everybody close. Yeah, 10.2 that. Don't go the wrong way up the surf show.
It's gonna be back going towards
State line.
He's in the ditch, and he's again passing North Pig. Headed towards downtown, slowing down. Crossing North 6, north and north. West on North 7, turning North Low, headed back towards Midland.
You can see clearly where the posted speed limit is 25 on these roads. That didn't stop our suspect from going over twice the legal limit. Now we can't tell if he's veering off-road because he's trying to lose the police or if he's having trouble maintaining control of his bike.
We passed through the lawyers right now.
Going through a red light.
Yeah, 7 got the lead. We're coming up to Garrison. North through Garrison. South to North 8. Passing North J. Johnson, 100, no traffic.